Alex here, and a question I've been asked is how much can I really design and change my layout after I've used those adaptive layout tools? And in Schema, there's a ton of different manual capabilities where you can puzzle piece your layout or start to really customize your layout and solve it. So, one of the ways to do that is I can manually drag out my units from my catalog into my floor space. I can easily rotate and move these units to fit into my floor plan. And if I want to, I can select my units and clone them. So I can make a quick array. I just want two total ones. And I can easily clone my units together. Some other quick edits I can do is if I want to have a wet wall or I want mirrored units, I can easily select the unit and now I can just simply mirror the units to each other. And with these other spaces, if I want custom spaces that aren't the same shape as units in my catalog, I can easily just mass out open spaces with my freeform massing tool. And if I want to take it a step further and begin to morph or change these masses that I create, I can easily select a unit to morph, select the face, and then morph a unit into this open space. So you have full design autonomy of your layout.